Hello guys, welcome back to the workshop. Today, we will test these menu number 4, 5, 6, and 7 that we have drawn before. But, before we test them, if you see this menu map more clearly, you will find there are two groups of menu here. First, the menu group with green frames. These are menu number 1, 2, and 3. Second, the menu group with red frames. These are menu number 4 to 7. And, as you see, they're completely divided. There is no straight line between them. So, green frames menu and red frames menu are divided and isolated from each other. But, why we need to do this? Is any reason for this? The answer is, yes, there is a reason. Okay guys, we will discuss this for a moment. Alright, setting hours and minutes are needed by our electronic clock for showing the recent time properly. But, is always a good reason to divide first between setting operation here and normal operation here. In order to protect the setting area operation from bad setting, especially when our device accidentally used by children's, or even the bad persons. Now, you have understood this red frames menu as represent of setting operation or setting mode, and this green frames menu as represent as normal operation or normal mode. Then, after we have divided them and isolated them, finally, we have a change to make a simple code. In order to protect the setting mode from children's and the bad persons. Here, we use a simple code. There is just to push star button for 5 seconds to enter setting mode. Okay guys, let's see the result. Great, it's work. We did it. Okay, as you see here, menu number 4 is used to enter setting hours. Menu number 5 is used to enter setting minutes. Menu number 6 is used to exit. And menu number 7 is used to give us information when we enter or exit setting. And also, as you see here, how easy to explore all the menu using the buttons. Because we just need to write the function of any button directly on the display itself. Like this. Or like this. The result is, we always know what button to be pushed on every menu. Wow! Congratulations! Until this step, we have completed 80% of the map. And the next part, we will try to finish the 20% remains. Okay guys, see you in the next part. Thanks for coming.